Hi everyone, it's Janet Wakeland with Remarkably Created. Happy new catalog day, happy new scrapbooking line, happy new kits. Lots of amazing product debuted today. What we're going to be doing in this video is taking a look at one of my top 10 favorites. I kind of did a very quick overview of them in a video last night, and I promised that I would be back with videos for each one of the specific 10 items that I absolutely love. What we won't be doing is making an actual card in the video, but I will be hopefully inspiring you with some great samples, as well as giving you some tips or maybe things that I learned as I worked with the product. So what we're going to be starting off is we're going to be looking at, again, products specifically from this catalog. And we're going to be starting off with Humble Home down here on page 46. You can purchase this as a cost savings bundle, so one code will give you both items, or you can simply purchase just the punch or just the stamp set. Either one is possible. So again, page 46, and we're looking at Humble Home. So let me start by offloading my tray of all of these amazing goodies that I have to share with you. I had so much fun with this bundle. I knew I was gonna like it, and I saw a lot of potential in it, but I'll be honest, I started with this as I started preparing all of my samples for my 10 favorites, and with us having left on a trip this morning, it was just one of those things where I almost ran out of time to do all of these projects because I got so involved in this particular bundle. Stick around, we'll talk to you at the end about the peppermint dots and some specials for you. But let's start first for just a second. When we look at this house set, you can build the house by adding doors, windows, you can add a roof, you can stamp an outline of the image, you can stamp a brick wall. It's got some great greetings that aren't just for Christmas. Yes, it does have Merry Christmas, but thank you for coming. From our house to yours, welcome home, or just welcome. Thank you for the sweet gift, to from. So this set is going to be perfect for so many things that aren't Christmas, and that's kind of the rabbit hole that I went down. As I was playing with this set, what I found was there's some other great products in the Stampin' Up! Line that really do work well with this set because of that theme of home or house. And one of them is Warm Welcome, and in here you have that open house. Welcome, again, knowing you feels like coming home. My door is always open to our home. So you're going to be able to mix and match these really well. This set also has some coordinating dies. One of the sets that I didn't play with, but I know that when we return I will be playing with, is this Yuletide Village. And I can see adding that gingerbread home to the different homescapes and things that we'll be creating with Yuletide Village. And this is a stamp set that is available as of today. And then another one that is available is this From Our Home. Very detailed, but again, it's got some great greetings from our home to yours. Thank you for your hospitality, home sweet home. So those are great, and those are ones that I really had some fun with. The punch, when you punch, you're going to be able to punch the house. You're going to, let me put this up here on the glare. You're going to be able to punch the house, a square, and hearts. The squares can be used for windows on either side, the heart to add a little heart embellishment. And this shape here does cut the different shapes out. Okay, the roof and things like that, you're going to be able to cut that out. So, starting first with a non-Christmas idea, although it could also be Christmas, kind of got a little bit of our darker greens in there. This is actually designer paper I cut right here. This is our Regal Winter, and then I've got some of our new gold leaves, but we just tucked a little house in there. We created the look of a wreath by layering two circles, a smaller one and a larger one, and that gave me this piece here. But again, just tucking that little house in there from our home to yours. Then this one you kind of got a peek at when we did this card, this pocket card video we did a week ago, and you can find that up under the media tab. But the designer paper from the Snowy Days has houses on it, and so we just used From Our House to Yours with this shaker look, and here you can see that house print paper, another great coordinating piece that goes with these. Halloween is coming, right? So how about a little spooky trick-or-treating in your neighborhood? And again, one of the things that really adds value to your craft vestments is when you mix and match products and you find ways to use them outside of the way that they were intended by the artisans who created them. And so here we've got one of our little ghostly images, little Dracula coming through your neighborhood, the little house in the woods. We've got a little background created, trick or treat. And as I go through these videos over the next 10 days, if you see a card that you would like me to make, then just go ahead and comment below. Would love to see this one made from start to finish. And then in the coming weeks after I return from my trip, we will look at creating those cards from start to finish. So again, if there's anything that you see that you would love to learn how to make, then just comment on that. I'd love to see that home card. I'd love to see that Dracula card. Kind of try to describe it to help me out just a little bit. Here's one where we borrowed the greeting from this set right here from our home. We kind of really did this up. I used craft white ink to stamp the brick. We've got the roof. We've got some of that. So we built up a home. So thank you for your hospitality. Created a little window. This one here, I kept seeing these paths that I wanted to go down. So it made sense to me to put a cottage at the end of those paths. And here we have a little welcome home using that beautiful Autumn Splendor designer paper. How about puppies? You know, anybody got puppies? Of course we have to have puppies. A little die cut right here, the long label punch. We just used the tip of it, did it in red. This is the Pets and More stamp. This is actually a piece of ephemera, and we just created a stake, little grass. We used the bright skies to create a template to go ahead and do the skies. So there's that house there. Of course, Christmas is coming, so we needed to look at some tags, right? So here we did it all up, real fancy, red brick. And to get these windows indoors, I actually fussy cut them from here. So I stamped the house twice and cut these out and put those on the house, kind of mixing it up just a little bit. The wreath is part of the kit, so are the words Merry Christmas. Then one of the things that I love to do is to create framed art, little decor for my house. And here we have a little Halloween piece. Okay, use the Forever Forest, use some large circles to create a half moon, the Happy Holidays. This banner piece is one of the 10 favorites that you'll be seeing. We've got 3 homes there, so you can see how we used the houses. This frame here is 6 by 6. This card in the middle is standard card size. And then we just lined up the paper and kind of matched it with the background. This frame is from the Happy Houseplants kit collection. There are 4 frames in there, and I love to repurpose them and use them. To change the color of the frame, which is white, I just brushed black and gray ink over the frame, and then I put clear embossing powder over it and heat set it. So you can kind of see some of that smudges and that looks. And then this one is my absolute favorite. Again, I love to surround myself with framed art. And so this is this one right here. So what we started with is this is a 10 by 10 frame, and I'll link the resource for those in my comments, but or in the description of this video. We started with a 6 by 6 piece, and then every basically 1/4 of an inch we went out with, starting with black just to pop with the ink. And then we did red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, did the rainbow colors, a 1/4 of an inch bigger, finished with white around it. Mixed and matched a whole bunch of stuff. We've got some ephemera pieces. The welcome, my door is always open, open house, open heart, open mind, are all from this warm welcome set. Here you see a repeated use of the banner. This is just a rectangle piece of paper that I cut. We've added some ephemera, a little bow, but look how pretty this piece is, guys. So lots and lots of possibilities with this set. Like I said, I really went down a rabbit hole as I was playing with this. So if there's any of these that you would love to see made, again, from start to finish, make sure you comment below, and then I'll be going through those and then working to create them in videos for you guys. But again, lots and lots of possibilities. This is the bundle here. Humble Home, and it is now available. As a reminder, while I am out of town and beyond through the end of September, everybody who places a minimum $25 order before tax and shipping will receive a pack of these beautiful fun peppermints, as well as you'll receive an email from me to claim free shipping during the month of October through me. So just a little bit of while I'm away kind of gift for you guys. Come join me every day at 4 p.m. right here on my Facebook page. Every day at 4 p.m. I'll have a new video for you. This is the first of 10. If you miss a video at any time, just go ahead and hit that media button up above, and then from the drop down menu, select videos. You'll find this video as well as hundreds more, any video that you've missed. In addition, if you like and follow, I'll come up in your feed and you'll have less a chance of missing them if you want to be watching them when they go live at 4 o'clock. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.